Virgin Galactic may have snapped its 8-day winning streak, but the gains so far this year have defied gravity, gaining more than 220%. Lisa Rich is managing partner at Hemisphere Ventures, an early-stage VC firm that invests in software, robotics, and space companies, including SpaceX. And you have a different, I guess, objective than like a hedge fund or even private equity or even a mutual. You want to own stories. That's what you do. You may never see a profitable company, or maybe it's 5 or 10 years down the road in your portfolio. So you don't immediately say, wow, this is unfounded with Virgin Galactic. This is something you really like that's happening because you were there early, right, as a seed investor.
Exactly. You have to come in and see what the future holds and what is in that crystal ball. And I do live in the future, certainly, with the early stage companies I work with. They have this long-term vision, just like Virgin Galactic does. While they're doing these flights and early opportunities for tourism are there, they have this long-term view of hypersonic travel. And that's exciting. So we'd love to see the early opportunity for flight, making them some money so they can achieve that goal of hypersonic travel for the rest of us.
So, Lisa, the volume in Virgin Galactic, suddenly you see what's happening, and there's 135 million shares trade or change hands, 7 times the daily average. So you know what's happening. It reaches a sort of a story stock, almost a frenzy, and you know that it may or may not be based on anything fundamental. Do you sell at that point, or do you just ride it? I mean, that's what you were hoping for when you invested in it, and you're early. But when do you exit these investments? Not when we actually have a commercial space station up in space, right? I mean, that could be, I don't know when that's going to be. Would you exit any Virgin Galactic after this run-up?
Well, I think that the run-up is just getting started because you've got people that want to be a part of the space industry, and they can't buy SpaceX and they can't buy Blue. So this is an opportunity to be a part of something. Right. And so there's that sense of ownership and I think pride that people have in their investments. And they want to be a part of the space industry, and Virgin Galactic is giving them that opportunity.